let's solve this. Why you're struggling to get leads. And I want to show you how to fix it. My name is Dr. Brian Arnold. And if you are a mortgage professional, a real estate agent, or a financial planner struggling to get leads, I know exactly how that feels because I've seen it firsthand and I've been there. You're working hard, doing all the right things, cold calling, running social media ads, networking in every event, and you might even be paying for leads, but still you're not getting a consistent flow of leads that you need to grow your business. I used to see this problem all the time. It used to be me until I launched my own podcast, the Mile High Real Estate Spotlight Podcast. Through that show, I was able to take real estate agents from the local area, feature them, and in doing so, I helped them get their name out there, build credibility, and ultimately get more clients. And by doing so, it generated infinite leads for me as well. And here's the thing, you can do the same thing. You don't need a big following, you don't need to be a tech genius, and you don't even need to know how to do a podcast or be a podcast expert. You just need a simple, proven system, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. So here is why traditional lead generation is failing you. Most professionals rely on outdated lead generation strategies that are high effort, low return. Cold calls, let's be honest. People don't pick up the phone anymore at all. Social media posts, you post, but you get no engagement. Referrals, great when they come in, but unpredictable and inconsistent. The reality is the way people make decisions has changed. Buyers and sellers don't just work with the first agent or the first mortgage broker they come across. They work with people that they trust, and trust is built on authority. So how do you position yourself to be the go-to expert and have clients come to you instead of chasing them and chasing them and chasing them? Well, I want to introduce you to the podcasting, the lead generation machine. When I launched the Mile High Real Estate Spotlight podcast, I didn't realize how powerful it would be for generating leads by simply interviewing local real estate agents, mortgage professionals, and financial planners. I was able to put their names out in front of potential clients, position them as experts in the market, and help them attract new leads without chasing anyone. And guess what? That same strategy that worked for them and me will absolutely work for you. Podcasting is not about becoming famous or racking up millions of downloads. It's about creating authority, visibility, and relationships, which is exactly how you generate consistent leads, not subscribers. Here's how easy it is to start off generating leads with a podcast. First, you're going to start the podcast where you feature local industry professionals or potential clients. Two, you're going to use that podcast to position yourself as an expert while promoting your guests. And three, you're going to publish and share those interviews in your community and online. And step four, build relationships with your guests and their networks, which turns into referrals and inbound clients. With this strategy, you don't have to chase leads anymore. They come to you because they see you as that trusted authority. Now, if you're thinking, okay, this sounds great, hey, but I wouldn't even know where to start. Well, I got you covered. I've put together a 6-week step-by-step program that will teach you exactly how to create a lead generating podcast from scratch, even if you have no experience, you have no audience, and you have no idea to begin or what you're doing. Inside the program, you'll learn one, how to set and launch your podcast quickly, how to get high-level guests that bring you business, and how to turn conversations into actual deals and clients. Finally, how to promote your podcast for maximum visibility. In this exact system that helped real estate agents, financial planners, and mortgage experts in my network get their name out there and attract leads, and it can work for you too. Click the link below to learn more and enroll now. I'm telling you now, if you're not using podcasts to generate leads, you're leaving money on the table. So subscribe and stay tuned. Tomorrow, I'm going to show you exactly how podcasting can create inbound leads on autopilot. We will talk to you tomorrow.